Tenderness it welled, slow swelling. Full it throbbed. That's the chat. Give, take, throb, a pulsing proud, erect. Words, music, no. It's what's behind. Bloom, looped, unlooped, noded, disnoded. Bloom, flood of warm jim-jam, lick it up, secretness, flow to flow in music, out in desire, dark to lick flow, invading, tipping her, tapping her, topping her, top, pores to dilate, dilating, top, the joy, the feel, the warm, the top, to pour o'er sluices, pouring gushes, flood, gush, flow, joy gush, top throp. Now, language of love, ray of hope. Her ear, too, is a shell, the peeping lobe there. Been to the seaside. Lovely seaside, girls. Skin tanned raw. Should have put on cold cream first to make it brown. Buttered toast, oh, and that lotion mustn't forget. Fever near her mouth. Your head, it's simply hair braided over, shell with seaweed. Why do they hide their ears with seaweed hair? And turks their mouth, why? Her eyes over the sheet, a yashmak. Find the way in, a cave, no admittance except on business. The sea they think they hear, singing, a roar. The blood is it, souse in the ears sometimes. Well, it's a sea, corpuscle islands. Wonderful, really. So distinct. Again, George Lidwell held its murmur, hearing, then laid it by gently. What are the wild waves saying? He asked her, smile.